Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M13, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store application, and we should get Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why enter Ampere, and now we should install this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing on your device. And after that, we just should click here to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now we can see here the information with the health of our device battery. In my case, that's good. Also, we can find here more info like the battery level, capacity, temperature, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.